welcome back to another video. Hopefully just a quick one. I'm just going to show you a quick couple of bits I've got. Most of this I've bought myself, but this first item I'm going to show you is from what I've got off my Amazon Vine to review. I'll leave a picture up on the screen now. I am sure we've all seen these kits. I bought one of these kits when I first started watching YouTube videos. I bought one of these kits thinking, yeah, that'll do. I'll do my nails with that. So I seen this one pop up for review and I thought, I'm going to get it and see what's in it. Because I know a lot of people just starting out always grab these kind of kits. So that's the picture anyway of what it is. So I'm just going to start pulling things out this box. I've literally just opened it. Don't even know what's in it. Right, so firstly, I see is a bag of, there's probably 500 in there. And it's all different size tips. The white ones and the other ones that have got a bit of a well. I think they're brilliant for beginners, people just starting out. I used them. These are the first kind of tips I ever used. Right, so you get 500 tips. Next thing I can see is one of these four-sided buffers. Oh, and it actually has got a file on it. 2 files. I got some of these to review the other week and every single side was smooth like this. But this has actually got a bit of a file and another bit of a file, so not bad. Not a bad start. Right, next I can see some acrylic brushes. So it comes with some little practice acrylic brushes. Brilliant, because when you're first starting you go through acrylic brushes like there's no tomorrow. So we've got brushes. Next I can see, oh, we've got dotting tools, so they're matching. All different size dots, brilliant. Right, we've got some tweezers. Next I can see we've got some snippers. Pink ones, cool. Right, we've got some cuticle oil. What scent is it? Rose oil. So that's good. I'm not going to open it because I've got a couple of them open. And I think I'm going to stick this kit in a giveaway anyway. Next, oh, tiny little cute little dapping dish and it's glass. That's cute. Right, we've got some tool separators, standard. Oh, and we've got a file and a buffer, and that buffer is a very, very strong one. I like that. And this file just feels like a standard 100, 180. Good, good, good. Right, I can see some bling. Oh, these are cute. All different colour little tiny gems. I haven't got anything like these green ones. They're a different colour green, aren't they? So there's them. And then there's these. These are tiny little pearls. They're cute. Tiny little pearls. Gorgeous. Right, and next we have got 3 little bottles of nail glue. You can never have enough nail glue. If you're anything like me, you don't put the lids on properly and it dries up. So there's 3 lots of nail glue. There is some paper nail foams. Everything in these kits you could ever want as a beginner. Brilliant for just playing and practicing, because you don't want to be spending a shit ton of money on some of the expensive stuff when you're just starting out. So, right, glitter. So we've got 3, 6, 9, 12 little pots, and it just looks like fine glitter. It's not hollow or anything. I think a couple of these are iridescent though. These 2 look iridescent. That one and that one. And I think the rest are just metallic. That purple looks iridescent. So yeah, we've got them. And then there's this one. This is just mini hexes. Again, there's a mixture of iridescent, 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 and metallic. I like them. Cool. These are brilliant for making your own little glitter mixes. Things like this are. So there's them. Oh, Then we've got a fluffy brush. And look at this. I'm really happy with this. I might keep this for myself actually. It's a little silicone mould, but it's the alphabet. So you just put gel polish in that and cure it in your lamp. Cool. I like that. I think I might pinch that. Right, then we've got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. And these are coloured acrylics. They're only little pots, but again, it's just a practice starter kit. Brilliant. All sorts of colours there. I think it's a really cool little nifty kit for beginners. Right, and then it's got your 3 main pots. I'm assuming these are acrylic. So that one says pink, that one says white, and that one says clear. So there's them 3 main pots. So I think these are to actually build your nail, these 3 main ones. And I think these are just for a bit of colour. I don't think you would be able to build a nail out of these. Right, and lastly, look at this little jiffy bag. How cute is that? I know what this is because I can stink it. This is monomer. Do you know, I've seen these bottles of monomer in adverts on these little kits, but I had no idea they were this small. How cute is that? That's so cute. Like a mini can of petrol. So how much is in that? 120 ml. So there's quite a lot in that. There is quite a lot in there. So yeah, that's everything that comes with this little kit. Like I said, for beginners, I think these little kits are brilliant. Loads to play with. If you do end up wrecking the brushes and the glue and spilling the monomer, and it's no big deal because they really don't cost a lot. But yeah, I think that is a lot for your money. I really do. So yeah, that is one of those kits. I'm just going to get this packed away and I'll quickly show you the things that I've bought myself. So I'll be back in a minute. Right, that's that all put away. Right, what I've also bought myself is I wanted some coloured polygels. So I've got these from You Are Sugar store. So I've got a yellow URP11. I've got an orange URP07. I've got a red URP10. A green URP12. And a purple URP13. So yeah, I'm not going to open them. I think I'll do a swatch video on them. I've never ever tried You Are Sugar Polygel actually, never. So I'll be curious to see what they're like. And also from You Are Sugar Storage, let me get these out of the packet. I got some more gel polishes. I bought some gel polishes last time. I've not even swatched these ones yet. But this time I got these ones in the plastic bottles. So this one is a grey. I think they're only 90p each or something. A nice light grey colour. These ones are 7.5mm. And this one's a nice green. I could have done with this for a Christmas design that I did. And I didn't have the right colour green. That's perfect. And this one is a pink, of course. A nice pale-ish pink. So I'll probably swatch all them together in one video. Right, what else did I get? Oh, I got some CAD stamping polishes. I ordered these off Amazon, believe it or not, and they took 3 weeks to get to me. So this is the 3rd time I have tried to buy a white stamping polish. First 2 times I ordered them off AliExpress, they never turned up. So I got some off Amazon, and even these took 3 weeks. Right, so these come with a black, and these are normal stamping polishes with a little brush look. But what these have also got is, in the cap, they've got a little nib. So you can, you know, do precise work. Oh, shit. So you can do precise work. So, yeah, I thought they were quite cool. I got a silver, a white. Yes, I have needed a white stamping polish for so long. And they just didn't want to turn up. And this is a really, really bright gold. I can't wait to try that gold. It's a really bright one. Right, I don't need them boxes anymore. Right, they all come with eyeshadow applicators. These are all chameleon chrome powders. I'm not going to open them. I'll swatch them in another video, but this is like a green one. It's got like a gold shift. This one looks like a bit of a purpley pink one. And this one looks like a bit of a kind of oxblood, kind of chestnut. And it looks like it shifts to a kind of a green. I will swatch them in another video. I'm not going to open anything today because I don't want the video to be long. Right, also from AliExpress, this is exciting. I got myself a collection of glitters. They are all the same, but different colours. So I'm quickly going to go through them. So first, we've got this it's like a light blue. And the blue has got mixed hex. And it's also got, I'm best off just showing you in the bag. Yeah, it's mixed hex, and it's also got gold dots, and it's got little gold flakies as well. Can you see in the bottom? It's got little gold flakies. Beautiful, beautiful glitters. I really, really like these. Really like them. Right, and it comes with this like really, really pale orange. Again, same thing, mixed hex, gold circles, and it's got gold flakies. I love these gold flakies. They're beautiful. Right, then we've got a kind of like rose kind of colour. Again, mixed hex. Look at the gold flakies. You can see it a bit better in this one. Can you see all the gold flakies? These are absolutely stunning glitters. They really are. Right, and then we've got like a light purple. That's a pretty colour. I can't wait to do something with these. These are stunning. I really like them. Right, and then this is like a pale pinky purple. I don't know. It's a bit different from that one. Really, really pretty colour that. Really pretty colour. And then we've got a dark green. Very nice colour green that. I really like that shade of green. These are so pretty. And there's another green as well. I'll show you them side by side. They look very similar on camera, but off camera this one's quite a bit lighter. But they're so, so pretty. I really like them. We've got another blue as well. This one's a darker blue. This blue is gorgeous. Look at them gold flakies. These glitters are beautiful. Yeah, that's a bit of a darker blue. And then there's another purple. Again, this is a darker purple to that one. That's more of a lilac, that one, isn't it? Oh, they're so pretty. And then there's another pink, a dark, dark pink. Beautiful. These are so pretty. And lastly, there's like a orangey red and a yellow. Look at that yellow. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful glitters. I really, really like them. Really like them. Anyway, guys, that's going to have to be it for today. I'm going to leave the rest of it. I don't want the video to get too long. But yeah, I'm really, really happy with these glitters. They are beautiful. Yeah, that's going to be it for today. If anybody wants links to anything, as usual, just ask and I'll happily grab them for you. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Remember to hit that little bell so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye.